Thank you so much for joining us today. I am sure happy to be introducing you to Michelle Robles. She's a massage therapist right across the street from us at El Spa. El Spa is a spa on the other side of the parking lot here, and they have lots of different services that they provide. And we are so thankful for them and their massage therapists. One of the things that I find when we look at massage therapy clinics or places with a lot of therapists is that sometimes you have one or two really good therapists and then a bunch of others. But at El Spa, there's like a bunch of really good therapists. And I'm sure thankful for them. And we're going to hang out today with Michelle. She's going to chat with us about massage and some of the things that she does and some of the ways that she can help you. So, Michelle, thank you so much for joining us today.
Yes, thank you for having me.
Yeah, we really appreciate it. I'd love it if you could maybe tell us, I don't know, a little bit about yourself and your background. Like, how did you end up where you are today as a massage therapist over there at El Spa?
I went to Pima Community College and I got my certification over there. And I actually got the pleasure to come to El Spa as an intern. And when I was doing my interning here, I just fell in love with the environment. I fell in love with the other therapists. I fell in love with the availability that everybody just presented with how much education that we can share amongst each other. So if one of us have an issue, we're there to help each other get through that difficult time, even with clients.
That's
It
really wonderful.
I love it.
What kinds, I know there are different types of massage therapy. Are there specific types of massage that you specialize in?
Yes, I do a lot of relaxation, but also therapeutic massage. So if somebody comes in with an ailment or discomfort, we address that area first. And most of the time, they're wanting to have the rest of the massage for relaxation and to help de-stress and anxiety as well.
I see. So there is a difference between therapeutic massage and regular massage?
Absolutely. Some myofascial techniques are really helpful with really muscles or even if they have any injury and to help the fascial system open up to allow to have any decrease in pain and increase in range of motion.
That's really fantastic. So in your place there, you're going to be doing therapeutic massage or like regular calming, relaxing massage for your patients.
Absolutely, yes.
Mm. How do you see, let's see here, what do I want to ask? How do you see or how do you tailor your massages to each client? Is it a one technique fits all? And so you just go through like this normal, regular flow? Or is there something that you do to tailor what you do to each person?
When they come in, I usually have them fill out an intake form so that I have written consent or how they're feeling for that particular day. And then when we go back into the room, we verbally go over what areas that they want addressed. And if they're looking for relaxation, we tailor it for more of a spa experience. And if they're looking for any help with shoulder pain, neck pain, we can help them with some therapeutic modalities. A little bit of myoskeletal will help as well.
That's fantastic. How do Are there are there specific conditions or ailments or like typical problems that you tend to see with your clients?
Yes, I tend to see a lot of people with frozen shoulder, help opening up their arms and their shoulders and the neck area to help them get the range of motion back. It mostly from injury, car accident. I've helped quite a few people with returning back to work so that they can do extracurricular activities such as quad riding, gardening.
That's fantastic. What do you think? And frozen shoulder is a big one, and sometimes it's something that can be almost debilitating in that shoulder if they're not able to move it the way they want to. And then sometimes it can take a really long time to get over something like that. So, what kinds of things, if let's say you have a person with a frozen shoulder, what would you like? What kinds of things would you advise them? Maybe talk about what you'd be doing with your therapy, but then just going about life. What would they be doing to help themselves get better?
One thing that I like to share with them is to continue to use that shoulder
Mm.
once they the availability of wanting to use that shoulder, they decrease in range of motion or even increase in pain. And when they have that happen, they end up with a complete decrease in overall activity. And with having that happen with massage, we can incorporate some heat and some fascial techniques to help open up the fascial layers holding onto the muscles to allow them to have that range of motion back into increase for that. And with the circulation from massage can help out with the healing process much faster.
That's fantastic. One of the things that we notice in here, and we take care of a lot of people with a lot of different health concerns and certain musculoskeletal concerns, and we will work really hard to identify specific structural imbalances and start to correct that. However, along with making corrections to those structural imbalances, there's still there's still other things that we have to do to make sure that the body wants to stay that way, or that some of the other components of the body are going to help facilitate that correction, like the muscles and the other connective tissue and the fascia, like you mentioned before. And putting all those pieces together is super important. So I'm really, really thankful. It looks like you're working on that with your patients as well. So I'm very thankful for what you've been able to do for your clients and for our clients here. That's excellent. How long do you think, just in your experience, how long do you think it to help someone who's dealing with a frozen shoulder?
It can take quite a while, up to 16 weeks of working together, and it helps out a lot when they get to go across the street and see you for some chiropractic to help with the skeletal system, and then to come back and see me and help them with the muscular system.
That's great. How what kind of advice would you give someone who's considering massage therapy? What are the kinds of things that they should look for when they're making a decision to try to see someone?
It depends on what they're looking for. If they're having injury, there's, like you said before, there's so many different therapists here. So availability and specific techniques that they're looking for. Some of us have for more in-depth modalities such as the myoskeletal, and I'm going to be continuing my education with that so that I can assist people with that so much more. And once it's tailored to what specific need that needs to be addressed for them, they'll be able to be better fit with all the therapists that are here.
What would you say is the best part about being a massage therapist?
I would say the best part about being a massage therapist is helping people. It's serenity when you get to walk into a place and you know that you're in safe hands and that you're going to be leaving feeling so much better.
That really is fantastic. One of the benefits that I hear with massage therapy is that it actually can help people with reducing stress. How does that happen?
With massage, it's wonderful because with the increase of blood flow, you're helping increase immunity and you're increasing dopamine and serotonin levels from the movements and the strokes from the massage, real gentle setting. We have aromatherapy that's offered to help place you into another place, another like Ayurvedic, just be in a state of mind.
You're talking about aromatherapy. What is aromatherapy and what's the benefit of aromatherapy in your sessions when you're doing massage?
I use it in a diffuser so that when you enter the room, you're able to have a sensual aspect to it. So you get to smell the different scents that are offered for you. Different essential oils tend to offer different ailments. Eucalyptus can help with breathing, lavender for relaxation. And there's many more that can help with any other ailments that you're having. And some people also offer here at Health Spa where they do essential oils along with the lotion to when you're getting your massage, you're also leaving with that wonderful scent and that's
That's fantastic. So it sounds like there's a lot. There's a lot that you offer, a lot that you can do for our patients. And I really appreciate it. You're making a difference in our community. And I'm super thankful for that. And I want to make sure that people know about you and that people start heading your way. Now, are you taking new clients right now?
yes, absolutely.
All right. And if someone wanted to get a hold of you, what would be the best way to do that?
Personal cell phone. We all have business cards here. And there's also a phone number to reach us through LSPA.
Okay. And would it be okay if I have something maybe in the description of this video or something to have a good number to contact you?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay. So the best way to get a hold of you to schedule would be to call. And your phone number is going to be somewhere on this video, probably down in the description or in one of the comments, or who knows, you may even see it on the bottom of the screen here. So thank you. Thank you. We sure appreciate you. You are making an impact already in the lives of some of our patients, and I want to make sure that more people get to know about you. So thank you so much for that. Thank you for being here today. And is there anything else that you want to say before we let you go?
I want to say thank you for giving LSPA your trust and to allow us to be able to see as well as your clients and sending them over for even more health and wellness to help keep care of themselves. And as well as for LSPA, we do also have schedulicity so that if they can't get a hold of me personally, they can also schedule themselves online with any other therapist that they need.
That's fantastic. Thank you so much for today. I really appreciate you, and I hope you have a fantastic day. And for those of you that are watching this video, if you need massage therapist, if you need massage services, Michelle is wonderful. I hear nothing but great things about her, and as you can see, she's great. Thank you so much for joining me today, and we'll see you later.